In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to locate Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Now choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner of it, in this area, and create your own by tapping on plus icon on the right. Now set up an hour. When you're finished, you can click on Add Label at the top and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then hit OK. You can also select days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. Then tap on this bell icon to pick perfect sound for your alarm. You can pick sounds or YouTube music. If you want to set up YouTube music, you need to log in to your account. In order to pick sound from your device, click on Sounds, select Add New, and tap on one of your songs. Then click on the back button. In order to pick one of those melodies though, just click on the best one and go back as well. Now you can click on those little icons. First, next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations, and then this one next to Google Assistant routine to add or remove your alarm from it. As you can see, after that, mine was successfully created. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm, tap on this icon above the switcher, choose Delete at the bottom left corner of Alarm section, and wait. In order to access even more alarm options, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Now click on Settings and manage all of them however you want to, like snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!